So we're going to learn how to make cinnamon sugar. It's super simple. I have this container, which one of my sons just absolutely loves cinnamon toast. So I have this container for him to use because it fits in his hand well. I'm not super thrilled with it, but it works for him. So I use it. And then I have this one that I mix up the bulk because we go through a lot of cinnamon sugar. And it's real easy. Cinnamon sugar. I'll label it on the back just as a reminder. Not that I'll forget because I make this so often. And all it takes is cinnamon and sugar. And that is it. So I'm going to show you how I do this. So I've already put it here in the bowl. This is enough for that container. And as you can see, this is 3 cups of sugar and 6 tablespoons of cinnamon. And I just take it and whisk it together. You want to try to make sure you get your clumps out of it. Oh, it smells so good. I do buy my cinnamon in bulk off of the Amazon, the great Amazonian, because I get Vietnamese cinnamon because it's awesome. It's got a little bit of a spiciness to it, and we really like the flavor of it. I do use Ceylon cinnamon for certain things, but mostly like custards or something like that. But I buy this in bulk once a year. I think it's Frontier Foods brand. There's all kinds available. And that is it. But I do buy 3 pounds at a time. It's a lot. A lot of cinnamon. And mine does, like I said, it's Vietnamese cinnamon, so it does come from overseas. And as you can see, I still have some left from last year. That is all I have left. Okay, so then I take this, pour it in. This container is actually meant for powdered sugar. Whoops, and I'm making a mess, as usual. As you can see, I didn't mix it up quite perfectly. That's all right. It's good enough. So you can always shake in the container, too. Like I said, this is meant for powdered sugar. I didn't find it particularly useful for powdered sugar, but I can sprinkle the cinnamon sugar on too. Like if I'm making cinnamon rolls, this is handy for that. I frequently use that, but this is just a little too big for little hands to handle like that. And if I need to, I'll give it a little bit of shake. The whisking part is more just to make sure there's no lumps in it. It's made a little bit of a mess. And that is it. And then I refill this little container and makes it nice and easy. And I'm going to use a little hand broom to clean that up because of what it is. And my nicely waxed wood board, handiest little tool ever. My board is very waxed, so it's great for the board. Not always great for picking up this kind of loose stuff. That's it. And yes, this is made by Oxo. Love this little thing. And thank you for watching. This is Christine with Not So Granola. Like, subscribe, make sure you turn on that bell so you get notifications of the new videos that I post every day. And let me know if there's anything else that you would like to see. And sorry about the kids coming home from school. And we will talk to you soon.